cube root of 125. If you did, you can either do this, you can punch this in your calculator by pressing math 4 125, enter. The answer is 5. Or do a factor tree. 25 is 5 and 25, and 25 is 5 and 5. You have 3, and you're looking for 3 because of the 3. 3 5s means 1 5 comes out, nothing left over, so there's no radical. It's just 5. It's a perfect cube root. 4th root is 16. So if you did a factor tree, you go 2 8, 2 4, and 2 2. You're looking for 4 of the same thing. So there are 4 2s, so a 2 comes out. Or on your calculator, you would press 4 math 5 16, enter, and you get 2. With exponents, you divide. So you would do, it's x to the 20th divided by 4. So that's x to the 5th. Or you can write out x 20 times and circle 5 groups of them. But that's both parts are perfect. This one, both of these are perfect squares. You can separate them first. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 121 is 11. You can punch both those in the calculator. Now to punch this in the calculator, you would press in 5 math 5 1024, enter. The calculator gives you a 2. Oh, does it? Wait. It gives you a 4, sorry. And then you divide the exponents. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Those are both perfect 5th roots. 4x squared. If you want to do a factor tree, you could. That's a big factor tree, though. 2 512, 2 256, 2, what is that, 128, 2 64, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 2s. They're in groups of 5 here. 5 2s, a 2 comes out. 5 2s, a 2 comes out. That's why that's a 4. This one is an easy one. That's a 4th. You divide it by this 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so this answer is just x plus 2 because those 4s cancel. This one, you can write these out long way, or the easiest way to do this is write x, y, z, x, y, z. 4 goes into 5 1 time, so you put a 1 there with 1 left over. 4 goes into 10 2 times with 2 left over. 4 goes into 12 3 times with 0 left over. So your answer is x, y squared, z cubed. I'll write it here, x, y squared, z cubed times the 4th root of x, y squared. The other way to do that is to write this out. There's 5 x's. Circle 4 of them because that's a 4th root. So 1x comes out, 1 left over. Do the same thing for the y's. There's 5 of them. There's 10 of them. They're in groups of 4. There's one group of 4. There's one group of 4. So you're bringing 2 y's out, 2 y's left over. And do the same thing for the z's. With the exponents, you're going to add x to the 3/3 is x to the 1st. Write the 3, the base ones, and then add 5/3 minus 4/3 plus 14/3 equals 3. If you add all these numbers, 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 14 is 15 over 3. And you can add those on your calculator as well. It's 3 to the 5th, which is, what is that? Where's my answer? 243. And then this one is x to the 1/4 plus 3/8 minus 2/3. So you subtract the one you're dividing. You punch those all in your calculator and you get x to the negative 1/24, which is 1 over x to the 1/24. Because it's negative and you don't want to leave any negative exponents in your answer.